Hey, welcome. Today, we'll write a small JavaScript utility to test whether a positive integer is an ugly number. Now, ugly numbers are positive integers whose only prime factors are 2, 3, and 5. That means, after repeatedly dividing by 2, 3, and 5 while possible, you should end up with 1. We'll also include input validation, handle edge cases, and keep the implementation simple and fast. Let's jump into the code and logic. Think about peeling off all factors of 2, 3, and 5. If anything else remains, a prime like 7 or 19, the number is not ugly. This approach is very efficient. It runs in time proportional to the number of 2, 3, 5 factors, which is tiny relative to n itself. This version starts with strict validation so you don't accidentally feed strings, floats, or infinities. We then guard non-positive numbers early. The call logic iterates over 2, 3, and 5, dividing n by each prime as long as it is divisible. If the leftover value becomes 1, the original number had only these prime factors. So, it is ugly. Otherwise, it had other primes and returns false. By iteratively stripping factors of 2, 3, and 5, we remove everything allowed. If anything remains other than 1, that remainder is made from disallowed primes. The loop is tiny and very fast. We also return 1 as ugly, which is a common convention. 12 reduces to 1 after removing factors 2 and 3. Ugly. 18 also reduces to 1 via factors 2 and 3. Ugly. 19 cannot be reduced because it contains a prime. 19. Not allowed. So it is not ugly. Ugly number checks are mostly a pedagogical or interview style problem, but they are great for teaching factorization, logic, and loops. They also show how simple number theory insights, allowed prime sets, lead to concise code. To wrap up, we've built a robust and readable function to check ugly numbers by removing allowed prime factors and checking the remainder. It is compact, fast, and safe thanks to validation. If you'd like, I can also add a small generator that prints the first n ugly numbers, or a version that uses recursion. Tell me which one you'd like next. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.